window broke.
Can you put the car in park?
Here's the park.
So the reason I stopped you is because the plate's expired. Yeah.
I'm just coming from work.
Oh, yeah? Is this your car?
No, it's my girlfriend. I live down the street.
Do you have your license with you and
no
registration?
I don't have my license.
Nothing? All right. Is your girlfriend's car?
Yeah, she down the street. She got her license.
Where at? Okay.
Literally, I'm just coming from work.
Where do you work at?
Literally.
Okay. All right. What I gotta have you do is just hop out for me real quick, man, just because you don't have your license on you, okay? Nope.
Still Westmont on Wood, Blackmount Drive. And he's 10-15 into the grass, north on Lawrence. He's in the grass, jumping back down northbound. Dreads? 20 short dreads, and headed to 10 mile. Black male, Indian Will dreads. Tattoo small farms. Whoever's blocking up there. Center line's blocking. It's up in the grass. Just parallel. All right, we got the lead again from center line. He's jumping through the grass just south of 10 and east on Lawrence. Somebody go to Sherwood in 10 mile for me. All right, we're by that apartment complex just east of Sherwood, coming out to 10. West on 10. You're good, clear, sorry.
Yep. Approaching Sherwood.
Through Sherwood. All right, who's ever on Mount Block, Yep. Give him some rope. Yep. Traffic over. Rebound. Speed's 80 coming up to Ryan. Alright, approaching Ryan. Center lane. Speed's 100. Alright, he's slowing for Ryan. It's a red. 1050 into a box truck. He's underneath the box truck. Airbags